A very good morning to all of you. Namaste. My name is Shruti Mishra. I'm assistant professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we're going to discuss about the entrepreneurial development program as we have had already in a previous session the introduction of the EDP. Today we're going to discuss about some of the programs which are actually initiated by the government of India. So the first one is National Institute for the Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development, NIESBUD. So basically, this is the highest body established in 1983 by the Ministry of Industry, Government of India. Entrusted the task of coordinating the activities. So basically, what National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development do, that coordinates the activities of the different agencies engaged in the task of the entrepreneurship development. It confines the training activities to such areas where no organization is coming forward for organizing the programs and which is totally new. So it basically takes the initiative for the new areas where no programs of no entrepreneurship program has been done yet or has been commenced yet. So it's aimed at creating the conducive environment for emergence of the entrepreneurship. Now, what are the functions of this particular program? Was evolving the effective training strategies and the methodologies, formulating the scientific selection procedure in the terms of the recruitment. Now, next one is developing the training aids, manuals, and other tools, facilitating and supporting the agencies engaged in the entrepreneurship development, conducting the such programs which are not undertaken by other agencies, maximizing their benefits and accelerating the process of entrepreneurship development. Another one is that is the last one, is organizing all those activities that help to develop the entrepreneurial culture in the society. So these are the basic functions of the EDP. I mean, these are the basic functions of this particular program, that is National Institute for the Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. The next EDP is Next Entrepreneurship Development Program, which was initiated by the Government of India, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII. It is a national institute set up by the financial institutions and the government of Gujarat. It promotes the research, training, and institution building activities by encouraging active participation of backward areas and special targets groups in the entrepreneurship. So, basic idea is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India was first established by the government of India, some of the public financial institutions, and it was basically initiated and it was basically established to promote the research, training, and institution building activities by encouraging the active participation of the backward areas and some of the target groups of the entrepreneurship. So the entrepreneurship development program consists of EDII consists of selecting the potential entrepreneurs, achievement motivation training. The third one is the product selection and project report preparation. The fourth one is business management training, and the fifth one is practical training and work experience. And after that, the last one is post training support and follow up. So these are the basic important functions of this particular institute. Then next we're going to discuss about the Technical Consultancy Organization, TCOs. Whereas the state government in the in the association with the All India Financial Institutions have promoted the various technical consultancy organizations to provide the technical consultancy and training to the prospective entrepreneurs. These organizations provide a comprehensive package of the service to the potential entrepreneurs. What are the functions of the TCOs? Finding out the industrial potential. Second one is undertaking the feasibility studies and the preparing the project profiles. Third one is conducting the market research, and the fourth one is imparting the technical and managerial training. Now, the last one is Indian Investment Center, that is IIC. It is a non-profit center promoted and supported by the Government of India. It aims at promoting the mutually beneficial joint venture between Indian and foreign entrepreneurs. It provides a relevant information to the foreign investors desirous of making the investment in our country. It is it promotes collaboration between the Indian and foreign entrepreneurs. So these are the certain EDPs which we have learned in this particular session. Hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something lucrative and you have received something lucrative information from this. This session was powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth from Miss University, Jaipur. If you have any query related to this particular video, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Stay safe at home. Thank you.